Yeah, so here I got my '08 Dodge Caliber, and what I did was remove the back seats and all the liner in the trunk. And the reason I did that was when I would lift up the little cover over here to access the spare tire, I saw a lot of broken glass, and all that nice shiny silver metal was really brown and disgusting. And there was this weird oil coming out from my seat. Couldn't even tell you what it was. But I removed the seat so I can clean all this, and I mean, I think I did a great job. I think you can see some spots where it's still a little dirty, but I tried my best. But my reason for making this video is just to show everyone how to remove the back seats, because I looked and I couldn't really find much. I mean, it's pretty simple, and I figured it out on my own, as I'm sure anyone else can. But no harm in just putting up a video and showing people how to do it. So after you remove the trunk liner, you're going to see some nuts. You're going to see this one right here. Remove that. Remove that. Remove that. And remove that. Those are all 18 millimeter. There was a bracket just like this over here, and I couldn't actually get the seat off without removing that one like I did there. So I just went ahead and took the whole bracket out. There's still more bolts and nuts that you have to remove, so you're going to go around to the back seat. You'll take out this one that's right here, kind of by the seat belt. This one I didn't actually have to remove. I did towards the end because I removed this little piece right there for the seat belts. I removed it over there as well, and then you can see there's another one right there. Also, there's going to be one right about here. See if I can get a focus on it. Right there in that hole on either side. And this is what they look like. That might be like a T60 Torx bit. I'm not 100% sure. I couldn't find one in my toolbox or my tool cabinet anywhere. And I actually ended up just using an 8mm hex bit, and it worked out just fine. Once you remove all of those, the bottom portion of the seat will come out separately from the back portion. You just go ahead and take it out, and voila. So really simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nuts and bolts in that area, and then one on either side right there, and the whole entire seat comes out fairly easy. Go ahead and take your seat out if for any reason you might need to. Like I said, mine was just for cleaning purposes. There you go, guys. A video on how to remove the seat from any Dodge Caliber.